There are many ways to use the large amount of waste that is generated from our agricultural practices. And in order to utilize it properly, our scientists have developed new technologies. Indian scientists and industry have come together to set up a plant that uses a homegrown technology to convert agricultural refuse into a valuable biofuel resource. It is a giant leap into becoming self-reliant into biofuel production. Production of biofuel in turn will not only help cut down the country's oil imports, but also reduce carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. The first indigenous technology has been developed for commercial production of ethanol from lignocellulosic waste by DBT-ICT Centre, Mumbai. A pilot plant with a capacity of 10 tons biomass per day to produce 3,000 litre ethanol per day on a continuous basis has been set up at the IGL in Kashipur. The technology has now been transferred for commercialization to two oil manufacturing corporations, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Each company will set up a 400-ton plant to produce 100 lakh litres of ethanol per day by 2018. This is expected to yield 3 crore litres of ethanol per year to meet national demands. It is also capable of using a wide range of agricultural residues from sugarcane bagasse, rice and wheat straw to cotton stalk, wood chips and bamboo. It yields bioethanol in less than 24 hours, whereas other takes 4 to 5 days. Besides, it is capable of recycling 90% of enzymes and water used by the plant. India has a total of 500 to 550 million metric tons of agricultural waste available annually. Of this, only 15% is currently used for fodder and firewood. Even if the country can tap 50% of the total 300 million tons, nearly 100 million tons of bioethanol can be produced as against 2.65 million tons currently. India's economy is agro-based and has huge source of biomass availability 120 to 150 million metric tons per annum, covering agricultural and forestry residues are being burnt in open lands, causing environmental problems. These residues can be a renewable carbon resource and can be converted to energy products, chemicals and biofertilizer. In India, approximately 500 to 550 million metric tons of crop residue is generated annually, and the highest volume processed residues are sugarcane, 141 million metric ton, rice 122 million metric ton, and wheat 110 million metric ton. CSIR-IIP is currently working on a mobile pyrolysis unit, supported by Aston University, UK, where a 20 kg per hour capacity truck mounted unit can be taken on-site or fields for the conversion of agricultural waste residues. This obviates the need to collect and store these residues from farmers and reduces the risk of farmers burning the stubble to plant the next crop. The bio-oil can be used as alternative furnace fuel. The byproduct biochar 20 to 22 millijoule per kilogram is good enough to be used for the soil enrichment, water purification and energy and heat applications.